Do you ever feel like you are being swept away by emotions like overwhelm, anxiety, or stress? One moment you are doing just fine, and the next you are just drowning in emotion. I feel that way sometimes when I get caught up in doom scrolling and looking at the news and seeing everything that's going on in the world today. But what if there was a simple practice that you could use to pull yourself up when you're being drowned by a sea of emotions? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful tool from acceptance and commitment therapy called dropping anchor. It's something that helps you feel centered in a storm. And if you stick around until the end, I will lead us through a short meditation to help us feel present and grounded right here and right now. My name is Giovanna May Reese, and I help ambitious women find the balance between doing and being. Make sure that you join my newsletter list, my email list, where each week I send out a free mindfulness tool that goes along with what I talk about on YouTube each week. Part of the human experience is experiencing emotions. And all of us have had a moment or many moments when we have been swept away by our emotions, where we just get pulled down into what we are feeling. And when that happens, we normally react in one of two ways. I know I have been guilty of trying to suppress emotion, right? Because as a Black woman, you're supposed to be strong, you're supposed to push through everything, nothing is supposed to bother you, because if you fall apart, what happens to everyone else, and on and on and on. And so the first thing that we do when that emotional storm comes up is we try to fight the storm. We try to suppress those emotions. We try to push them down. We stuff those emotions down. We try to numb them. So either we run away from the situation, we distract ourselves by staying busy, by going back to school, by getting another certification, or we try to numb ourselves by doing something like watching a bunch of television or eating that pint of ice cream or whatever it is, anything to not feel the emotion, to be pulled under by the storm. The second way that a lot of us deal with emotional storms is we get swept away. So we spiral into overthinking, anxiety, impulsive reactions, consistent worrying, catastrophizing. But what if there was a third thing, a third option? And that's what we're going to talk about. And it's called dropping anchor. It's a really simple analogy. So imagine that you're in the sea, you're in the ocean, right? Which is a metaphor for life. It's sometimes it's calm and then sometimes it's choppy. So imagine you're in a boat and a storm happens and there are waves, the boat is rocking, and if you don't do anything, the boat is just going to drift where the waves take you. But if you drop an anchor, your boat will remain steady. Are you going to stop the storm? No, the storm is still going to be going on, but your boat, is going to be grounded, it's going to stay steady, and it's going to be centered. Instead of getting lost in a sea of emotions, you can use this simple technique to help you remain steady and present. It's 3 steps, has a simple acronym, ACE. And the first part of it, the A, is to acknowledge your feelings. The second part, C, is to come back into your body. And then E, the third step, is to engage in the world around you. And so I'm going to take us through a short meditation that puts this into practice. So let's start to get comfortable. I invite you to find a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest wherever they feel most natural. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now take a moment to notice whatever is happening inside you. Maybe there's stress, frustration, anxiety, or even just a restless energy. Whatever it is, acknowledge it without trying to change it. Just let it be here for now. Notice any thoughts floating through your mind. Maybe it's a worry, a to-do list, or something that upset you today. Acknowledge these thoughts like clouds passing in the sky without needing to react to them. Now bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet pressing into the floor. Notice the steady contact between your body and your seat. Let yourself feel grounded. Press your hands against your thighs. Stretch your fingers wide, then gently squeeze your legs, feeling that solid connection. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Hold and exhale, letting tension melt away. Now let's shift our focus outward. Without opening your eyes, notice 5 things you can hear around you. It might be the hum of a fan, distant voices, or the sound of your own breath. Notice 3 things you can feel. Maybe the warmth of your hands, the texture of your clothing, or the air on your skin. Finally, remind yourself, I am here in this moment. I don't have to fight the storm. I can hold steady. Before we finish, take one last deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes, bringing yourself fully back to this moment. Remember, you can drop anchor anytime you feel overwhelmed. The storms in your life might not disappear right away, but you can stay steady within them. Whenever life starts to feel overwhelming, you have another tool that you can use to help you remain present. Remember, you don't have to stop the storm, you just have to remain steady. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe. It helps the channel, and pass us along to anyone else who needs to cope with difficult emotions right now. And I'll see you in the next video.